I'm doing what I was supposed to do. And what I mean by that is not writing books. I mean more so being a doctor. And, that was my dream since I was a kid, like teenage, I was like a teenager. And then when I got to be about 30, the diet that I was raised on started to fail me. I could get away with it for a really long time. I never gained weight in high school or even my early 20s. But when I got to be 30, I woke up and I'm like, I don't like the way I look. I don't like the way I feel. I weigh 50 pounds more, anxiety issues. I was depressed at times, high blood pressure, low energy, even low self-esteem, even though, Cyrus is rattling off those credentials. And I'm very proud of the hard work that I put into my career. But even though I was accomplishing all these things professionally, I had low self-esteem. And I needed a way out. And my medical training hadn't really taught me how to do that. And it was the discovery of a plant-based diet that radically transformed my life. The weight melted away, the anxiety lifted, the self-esteem and self-confidence came back. And it was so powerful that I went to the medical literature to say, look, Georgetown, Northwestern, UNC, how come I haven't heard anything about this? And was shocked to discover thousands of studies supporting a plant-based diet as the path to optimal human health, and particularly optimal digestive health, optimal gut health. And so I brought it into my clinic as a gastroenterologist, and the results were so powerful that I felt compelled to share it, that I couldn't just be a doctor. I had to actually put this information out there to the public, particularly when I see that people are not having the root of their issue, which is damage to the gut microbiome. They're not having that addressed when they show up and they just get pills and procedures all day. And 97% of Americans right now are putting themselves at risk, not just for digestive issues, but for other medical issues because of their low fiber diet. And so it set me on this path where I first took to social media. Then I started showing up on people's podcasts. And the energy and enthusiasm was so much that it basically forced me to do something that really wasn't my plan. And that is write this book, Fiber Fueled, out today. And I'm proud of it. It's literally almost 2 years of work. I've been grinding nonstop. There have been very few days that I've taken off to relax. And now finally, this thing that I've been, secretly working on at Starbucks, finally I get to unleash it on the world and see what they think about it.